everybody, how's it going? Aaron here. Happy Monday. I've got a beautiful 4-string banjo to show you today. This is number 662. It is a curly walnut and pistachio 4-string banjo. So, I kind of designed these for people who play baritone ukulele and want a banjo-sized instrument of the same tuning, but I think it's been really useful for other folks as well. This one is strung D, G, B, E, like a baritone uke, and it's got my normal baritone strings on it. But, we could do it other ways as well for different tunings and different strings and whatever. Anyway, this has got some really nice curly walnut, and I did a little stripe of curly walnut down the middle with 2 veneers. I really like that look. And raw brass hardware, pistachio trim. Really like the grain on the dowel stick as well. It's got a goat skin head and armrest, pistachio fretboard and head plate. So yeah. Yeah, and it's cool. It's got the feel of the ukulele strings in my hands, but it's super loud, and I have to play pretty quiet on these videos, or else it spikes the microphone. But yeah, it's a fun design. I'm really pleased with it. It's got a 20-inch scale length, by the way, and that curly walnut just looks awesome. So that's number 662, ready to go. Cheers.